Communists don't have constituents. Really.
They don't.
They really don't.
His thing was, oh, you think the people around him, if he starts going bad, you don't think that they'll... And he couldn't bring himself to kill him? Right. Oh, so you're saying a coup is the constituency?
I don't know if you've noticed, a lot of dictators survive a long time before a coup really bites them.
Yes.
You know, a lot of
the Ill family.
Yeah, the Ill family.
Or the Kim family.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're right. Yes.
Right. Yeah, it's the Kim family.
Reversed. Yes, reversed. But he's got some other great policies. He tried to explain one of them last year, and I think the poor are really going to respond to this when he's talking about taxing the poor and how great that will be. Love it. Here's Michael.
Say, well, taxes are regressive, but in this case, yes, they are. That's the good thing about them, because the problem is in people that don't have a lot of money. And so higher taxes should have a bigger impact on their behavior and how they deal with themselves. So I listen to people saying, oh, we don't want to tax the poor. Well, we want the poor to live longer so that they can get an education and enjoy life.
Oh,
and that's why you do want to do exactly what a lot of people say you don't want to do. The question is, do you want to pander to those people, or do you want to get them to live longer? And there's just no question, if you raise taxes on full sugary drinks, for example, they will drink less, and there's just no question that full sugar drinks are one of the major contributors to obesity, and obesity is one of the major contributors to heart disease and cancer and a variety of other things.
Yeah, shut up.
So,
may I just point out, some people that have money also have big bellies.
Really? Can you name any? Do you have any specific examples?
I can't think of anyone.
Someone who, like, maybe in the media spotlight for a while, maybe earned a lot of money over the years.
No, I can't think of a single one.
Seems to grow
but
and
it's
growing right in this room.
Like this obesity process. Wait a minute. What? That's oddly specific.
What?
It's not like it's just the poor that are drinking soda.
Right.
Correct.
But I think his point is, though, that it only affects the poor, right? Because, like, if you, Glenn Beck is going to buy whatever soda he wants, no matter how much the taxation is. But for someone who has a lower level of income, they may avoid it because of the taxation. I think that's such a great argument. The less money they have,
the less damage they can do.
Yes, to themselves,
because they're all to buy food with the money.
Right.
So they will hurt themselves with the food they eat or intake or drink.
This is Progressive Theory 101, right?
Yes.
Bloomberg knows better than them. They don't know what to buy for themselves. He has to make them buy the thing he wants them to buy.
He and Elizabeth Warren
So
are the same
dangerous.
people.
Yeah.
They're interchangeable. They're the